Hello guys, Aishani here. I'm going to throw out a surprise video of 4 colored slimes. Orange, yellow, green and purple. Now with these slimes, I'm going to see which one is the best. And also, if you find the comments, you can keep your favorite color slime and also its texture. Now let's start with today's video. Now this is the orange slime. Wow, it feels so good. Well, they all are the same company. The orange slime is so satisfying. Look at this. Just look at this texture. Well, it's not too stretchy, but it also has some decorations like stars, glitter, etc. in it. You might see only the stars. I'll try to get one outside. It's hard getting decorations from a slime, I meant. Oh. But look how stretchy this orange is. Ah! Literally, it just fell down. Oh. Wow, it feels so satisfying even to touch. Wow. Now, turn to keep the slime in its ball. Orange slime. Bye-bye. Do you remember which slime is next? Of course! Yellow slime! Time to unbox it. See? Look at the yellow slime too. Did you know a fact? Slimes roll around the box. Means they get just like gas, they absorb the entire space available and they spread in a jar just like gas. If you knew it, you can like. If you did not knew it, you can subscribe. Look at this. It's also so stretchy. Well, not stretchy than the orange one. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can even make something with it. Yeah. Cut. Wait, it's hard to cut. Wait. It's not too stretchy as the orange one, since it's not dropping. Wait, it is. Just a little help would make it drop. La 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 la. There we go. Time to keep this slime again in the box. Bye-bye, slime. Do you remember what's the next color? Green. Green. Lovely green. Time to unbox. Wow. Now let me keep a hole to make it test. It is slime. And the start is so near, I can take it out. But first, I have to always show the slime to me. I think you can't see it properly. The start. I took it out from the slime. I mixed it back in. To my dear audience, I will show the green slime. The green is more stretchier than the orange. But if green and orange are together, it will make Tiranga, the Indian flag. Ah! Yay! Whoa, it's dropping like the other slimes. Drop, 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 drop more. You have to shake it a bit. Ooh, ah. Wow, just look at it. Oh. Well. Oh. Wow. Nice, right? I wish you had these. Time to keep this slime too in the box. It's fun showing you guys things which I have. Well, did I tell you that this is very new? Not only this, but the other slimes. Bye bye. Say bye bye. I guess you know what's next. Some of your favorites and some not your favorites. Purple, purple, purple. You might not see it properly because of the light shade this. Here. Well, it's okay. Time to unbox. Whoa. Time to test. Well, I took it out before you knew. Well, yellow is not the stretchiest. Yellow and purple are not too stretchy, but orange and green are. It already fell. Means it's very stretchy. Let me... Whoa. Well, it's not as stretchy as the green slime, but it is very stretchy. I just threw it for purpose. Yeah. Something... Wow. So satisfying. Now it's also stretching down. There's a snake. Wow, that's also super stretchy. Time to put it in the box. Bye bye, purple slime. I'm sorry, but if I went there and I got it, I would tell you. I got it from my father got it from his office. Do you want to recap the colors one more time before we leave? Orange, yellow, green, purple. The stack of the color slimes I have. Oops. The stack of the color slimes. This is the end of this video. Wait 1 sec. Yeah. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. Could you please share, because slime is always super satisfying. Well, that slime smelled like medicine, but I knew you still love my video, right? Which one did you like the most? Did you like the orange one, which was the second stretchiest, yellow one, which was the fourth, green, which was the first, and the next color, purple, which was the third stretchiest? Which one did you like the most? You can do the color. You can comment for the color and the texture. Bye. This is the end of this video. Bye bye.